Dentistry and General Radio Network presents The Fountain Pen Chronicles with Dr. Bob Dee and Tim Ettenheim. In this episode, Aurora 88.
As you look at the screen is a 1950s Aurora 88.
That's the one with the gold cap.
With the gold cap. The Aurora 88, and we will spend a little bit of time in a future session talking about Aurora 88s because they have their own very deep and rich history, were the first, not this generation of them, but the prior generation in 1947 to 49, were the first new pens made in Italy after the end of the war. The Aurora family factory was bombed, and because it was used for munitions during the war. And after the war, as the Marshall Plan took hold, Aurora was bringing itself back together again, and Aurora found that many of the American soldiers coming over with the Marshall Plan were carrying Parker 51s in their pocket. So their first pen, and we'll talk about the comparisons between Aurora 88s, which are uniquely Italian, and Parker 51s, which are quintessentially American, are also comparisons. And so they shamelessly copied many of the traits of the characteristics of a Parker 51 and made an all new pen. It's driven by an internal piston, which is that knob in the bottom. It's called a blind cap. And they have a hooded nib, which I'll show you, and they are just lovely writers. And they produce something like 17 different kinds of nibs. Now you get what you get when you find them, but they're wonderful pens. I usually try to restore one for every inventory batch.
Yeah, I have 3 of them now. I have this
But
one.
one of them is modern.
Yes, I have this one that's a 1950s, as you said. I have one that's one of the early ones. When did they first come out?
49.
49, because it's the serial number is a 6-digit instead of 7.
We can talk about the Aurora serial numbers.
Yeah, those are fascinating. I've been reading about them. And then I bought a new one, the what they call it, the Red Mamba Aurora 88, which I still love. It's very well made and writes very well.
This has been a production of Dentistry and General Radio Network. Visit our website, dentistryandgeneral.com, to join engaging clinical and business conversations, explore our dental podcasts, and stay updated on our upcoming live events.